Welcome. This is Courtroom Explained, where we take a measured look at how courts resolve complex legal disputes. This content is for educational purposes only, not legal advice. Today's case is Estate of Michael Jackson v. Commissioner of Internal Revenue, a tax court dispute between the estate of Michael Jackson and the Internal Revenue Service. According to court records, the case arose after Jackson's death in 2009, when the IRS challenged how his estate valued his name, likeness, and intellectual property for federal estate tax purposes. The estate reported a relatively low value, while the IRS asserted a dramatically higher figure, resulting in a substantial tax deficiency claim. One key fact is that the dispute was not about whether taxes were owed, but about valuation. The court had to determine the fair market value of Jackson's image and music-related rights as of the date of his death, based on what a willing buyer would have paid at that time. A second important point is the role of expert testimony. Both sides presented valuation experts who relied on different assumptions about Jackson's earning potential, public reputation, and future income prospects following his death. Third, the court examined Jackson's financial condition and public standing in 2009. According to the findings, this included debt levels, canceled tours, and reputational challenges, all of which affected how the assets were valued at that specific moment. The U.S. tax court ultimately sided largely with the estate, finding that the IRS had significantly overvalued the assets. While the court increased the estate's reported value, it rejected the IRS's highest figures by a wide margin, substantially reducing the proposed tax bill. The legal lesson from this case is that tax law often turns on precise valuation, not hindsight. Courts focus on conditions at the exact valuation date, even when later events dramatically change an asset's worth. What does this case reveal about how courts handle uncertainty when valuing intangible assets? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you appreciate calm, unbiased explanations of legal decisions, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.